today. Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome to our Varito Designs and Institute. My name is Varito Vasquez AIFD, CFD, FSND. Welcome from the beautiful city of West Palm Beach, Florida. Today I'm gonna make a beautiful arrangement for the flower that I get directly from EC Flowers, Ecuador last week. So I get the product perfectly delivered to my door. I cut the stems, put everything in water, and properly process it. All the stems, all the flowers. I clean up them. The beautiful product that I get is the product I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some lilies, some delphinium, some Belo Island, and a concrete base that is beautiful. And then I use the black fawn from Oasis to use minimum green into my composition. I use as well some of the wrapping paper that come from different in different boxes or from the different farms. So recycling some of my product. So today I'm showing you how to working on this beautiful arrangement. So this is just more like a something that you can make in your store or in your studio for every day. So beautiful lines, a composition of beautiful different and use different kind of textures in our flowers that make more interesting the composition. As well, I have like the lilies, the beautiful ones that has a very fragrance. Those roses, they're amazing. So in this composition that I have here, in this arrangement, I have two separate group in both sides of the container. So then I'm gonna start adding some of the lilies in one side and still have more space here to complete my design. So let us start, okay? So the lilies today, they're so beautiful. So I'm gonna try just to repeat some of the movement or some of the flower that I have in the other side. Not creating a symmetrical design, but yes, trying just to repeat some of the product that I have from one side to another side. So sometimes we try just to figure out what is the best position to our flowers. The flower is gonna tell you where they want to go. So, and then remember something, flowers always facing to you. So at that point I have my beautiful lilies in here and beautiful lilies in the other side. So I'm gonna complete my with some extraordinary green hypericums that I get from them. I'm so surprised for the quality and the promptly time that the delivery companies take just to deliver the flowers to my door. I'm so surprised about that. So this is something that we can use, I don't know, maybe for anniversary or eventually for a party. Why not to do this for a church? So we're gonna start adding some of the product. So one of the requests that I get from my friend Rob Vaquero from Easy Flower is to make something nice, simple, and something that we can make easily in our stores or in our studios. So at this point, we have some beautiful, we have a lot of space that perfectly we can frame a nice picture. It is for this if this is for like a funeral, or eventually we can put like a sculpture on between, or if for like a Mother's Day or Father's Day, you can put the present here, a bottle of wine, a perfume, a box of chocolate. So this is not finished. So I'm gonna add some extras of the beautiful bells of island, and not to repeat in this side. So I'm gonna add some beautiful ones right in here to give a little bit more of the green color to my arrangement. So here I give a little bit of my dip, so I have the space, everything's move around. So that is something that create lines, very strong lines, and it is interesting, and it's something that's very helpful in your store or in your studio. Let me complete this. This green give kind of accents and as well to complement my designs and unify my designs from one side to another side. Even like it has a lot of space running here, I can use something else. I can use a branch, or eventually, as I explained before, you can use a frame to put a photo or a gift, or eventually a sculpture. Some extra lilies to complete my beautiful design on the back side. I'm really surprised about the quality of the flowers that I get from Easy Flowers Ecuador, and I'm very glad just to start designing today for them. Just to give some extra touch, I will add a couple extra roses that I have here. Those are beautiful. They're in the point of opening. So one of the things that we need to be sure, especially when we are designing, is how open need to be the roses, or how open they need to be the bloom. Just to give some interest in our designs. So I'm creating some elevation in my design to create something different and give more attractive to my the final design that I'm creating. I love to work with different kind of elevations, different heights. Give more attention to what I'm working on. So here I have my designs. They're complete. It's beautiful. Later on, you're gonna check in Easy Flowers website and the fan page the final photo of this design. Thank you so much for your attention, and hopefully see you soon.